Have you ever had a live show guest cancel on you?
Why do they do that?
Even for a perfectly valid and understandable reason. Or if you're like me, you have kids who have sports games and have extracurricular activities that get moved and rescheduled many times right when you're supposed to do your live show. Or finally, maybe it's just a personal preference. You want the ability to make edits, re-record segments, or add assets and have a live audience. You want to show comments on screen and moderate your own live chat. You don't have to look any further. LiveReacting has you covered. And in this video, I'll show you how to stream pre-recorded or fully produced content as if it's live in this step-by-step tutorial. Let's dive in. So here we are on LiveReacting.com, and if you don't have an account already, or if you want to get a free trial, simply use the link kirkarnugent.live/livereacting, and you'll be able to get an extended free trial. And if you do use that link, full disclosure, they will reward me for that, and I will thank you greatly. But here we are on LiveReacting.com. This is my dashboard that you're seeing right now. And there's a lot of different options here, but as soon as you're in, I just want to show you how quick that you can get this set up. If I go right up here to the top where it says create new project, it'll give me the option to select a layer. It creates the project, it calls it a draft, but it says select a layer. And the first thing you want to do if you're streaming pre-recorded content, if you're streaming produced content, is to select video. It's actually the first option. Now I select that. You have a number of options. You can do a screen share, you can do a web camera, but of course, we want to do a video file. Now I want to say this, man, they have drastically increased the amount of ways that you can upload video. You can pull from Google Drive, Dropbox, even YouTube, right? So if you want to stream something that you've previously done, LiveReacting will actually go out and grab that for you. You would simply click here to upload, and you would select the file that you want, and it would upload it and encode it and make sure that it is optimized and ready to go. I've already selected one, and it's this video right here. It's a show that I did prior. It's called Do You Own Your Own Story? And so here it is, it's ready to go. You can see that it's already on the 00 mark. So it's already ready to roll. And so now that the video is set up, I could create a new scene, more on that later. I can also engage with the chat. I'll show that once we go live. But the next thing to do is just to set your stream details. So here, open up stream settings. I'm gonna stream to my YouTube channel. I'm just gonna name it what it is actually called. Name it what it's actually called, then fill in the description, and you're pretty much ready to go. But before we dive in, before we actually push this live, I did want to show you that you have the ability to stream to multiple destinations, and you can actually set the live stream duration to adjust to the video length. So that makes it a completely hands-free process. So when I click this, you'll see that it adjusted to the video length. Or I can just say, I'll stop the stream manually myself, because that's what I'm going to do since we're going live right now. You do have the ability to schedule it, and you can pick a date and time when it will go live. You also have the ability to do some advanced settings, like setting your YouTube privacy. In this case, I'm going to do unlisted. And you can also select your thumbnail and some other details. If you were scheduling it, it would even allow you to set the announcement post as well. So granular functionality that you have here. We're ready to go. So I'm going to click save. And now that we're saved, you can see that's there. This blue button is here saying go live. And I'm going to simply go live. Simply click there. It says starting your live. Yes, go live. And so now it's going to push to live, and it's going to automatically play this video that is queued up and ready to go. So here you can see that it's playing, and by simply going up here to the top and selecting this destination, it will open up that video, which we can see is live here on YouTube. And I can actually go here and say, add a comment, interact with the folks who are there. Now, this is on YouTube, but if I come back over to LiveReacting, I can actually open my chat and those comments will appear from the destination. You can see that those comments have come in here now, and I actually can show those on screen if I want to. This is a pre-recorded video, y'all, that is actually being streamed as if it were live on my YouTube channel within just maybe less than 3 or 4 minutes of setup. That's clutch. That is clutch. And we can add some other scenes to the video as well. I could add other videos. I could add a string of videos. I could stream 24/7 if I was interested. And you can even add a countdown clock. So you look here, new scene, it will give you some options. Go to countdown. You would simply click here to put a countdown in. I'm going to put a simple countdown in, and then that will be the main thing. So that would be, you'd simply set your duration for your countdown. Maybe you want it to be 5 minutes. I'm not certain, but whatever you'd like that to be, it would be set right here, and it would count down, and you can make that larger, and you can actually set that to play. So that you could even put into the system ahead of your live stream, ahead of your video, and you would have that ready to go. There it is. Now it's in the front, and then we could simply go and say sync with live, and it would play that countdown. So now that countdown is playing live. You can see that that countdown is playing on YouTube, and when that countdown is done, it will go to the next scene. We'll say sync with live, and it will play the video from that section or from the beginning, depending on how you have it set up. So many ways to interact and engage with this. So many options and functions and features that you can use. Again, add B-roll, call outs on screen, text and links, different things that you can do as you produce your video that you may not be able to do live, but you can stream it as if it's live using LiveReacting. As a content coach, consistency is the top thing I'm working with clients to build into their operations and systems. Adding this ability to your toolbox could make a huge difference, and pre-recorded streaming is just one of many really great features of LiveReacting. In this video right here, I do a full overview of the platform, pricing, and key features. Click right here to watch, and I'll see you over there. Grace and peace, fam.